Hello everybody, today we're going to be making meat. So this is part of our basic series and you can use this in any dish you want, really. With rice, with stew, it's just meat. Whatever you want. So this is a nice base to any dish. First we're going to boil our meat in hot boiling water so that we can get rid of the nastiness, which is called zanakha in Arabic. Then we're going to put it into the pot of a pressure cooker and add a bunch of different spices. We can add salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 7 spices seasoning, a tablespoon of all of those. Then we're going to add a pinch of ginger, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Top it off with boiling hot water once more. Let that pressure cook, for about 25 minutes. And to release all that steam at the end. And that's it. Just strain it and serve with whatever you prefer. Happy meeting. Bye.